what you're gonna be learning today. That funky little linear groove is gonna spice up your vocabulary, no doubt about it. Aunt Judy comes down the stairs into your drum room and wants to hear a cool beat, and you throw that out at her? I am seriously 3 cups deep into the green tea today. All right, let's get into it. What is up, YouTubers? Hope you guys are doing absolutely fantastic. And this linear groove, this linear funk groove, is fairly simple when you break it down, and I will do that for you. Keep in mind, just in case you're not aware of what linear means, linear just means that no 2 limbs play at the same time. So your basic pop rock beat is non-linear because the very first note you play is hi-hat and bass drum together, and a couple notes later, you play snare drum and hi-hat together. Linear means that no 2 limbs play at the same time. Kick, hat, snare, hat, kick, hat, snare, hat. And what makes this linear groove truly unique, in my opinion, is the fact that it doesn't have a bass drum on the downbeat of 1. So many of our grooves start with bass drum, and this starts with the left foot. So our pattern is going to be, let's do it 8 notes at a time. Instead of doing all 16, let's do 8 notes at a time. Our first 8 notes is going to be left foot, right hand, bass drum, and then just 4 singles, right, left, right, left. All of the snares will be ghosted except for the very last one. All right, so that part's not too bad. And then the next 8 notes is going to be right, left, kick, right, left, right, right, left. Once again, right, left, kick, right, left, right, right, left. And if you think of that as 3E and a 4E and a, the downbeat of 4 will be accented, all the other snares will be ghosted. 3E and a, 4E and a. Do that part with me, 60 beats per minute. Now, if you really want to get some practical use out of this, don't just rush through it and see how fast you can do it, how fast you can upload it to Instagram and be like, I'm never touching that again. Spend some time with it. My teacher, Will Kennedy, used to always use the phrase, fellowship with it, study with it, enjoy it, learn it, play it inside and out, different tempos, swing it, play it straight. Then you can use it for the rest of your life. Then those vocabulary words come out in natural conversation, and that's what we want. So if you felt good with those 2 parts separately, now let's put them both together. So we're gonna play the full 1 measure pattern. We're gonna do it at 60 BPM. You gotta do it with me. Now, goal tempo on this one is totally up to you. I think this groove sounds good anywhere from 80 BPM with a little bit of swing on it to 120 BPM totally straight. I'm gonna play it at 120 BPM since that's like our max goal tempo on this one. And when I play this stuff, I don't think of it as a 1-bar loop. I think of it as a groove environment, and then I slightly explore that environment a little bit more. As the measures go by, I just kind of venture out a little bit further and have some fun with it. And I'm not thinking linear or non-linear. If I hit a crash with my bass drum, I don't go, oh my God, that was non-linear. I don't think like that at all. I'm just thinking, okay, this is the groove environment that I'm in. I'm going to explore it and have as much fun and be as musical as possible. You can feel the sauce just marinating, getting into the pasta, and every bite it just, it's good stuff right there. Not gonna lie, I love me some linear drumming. I hope you guys got some of that. So remember, once you learn it, then you have to do something to it to make it uniquely you. That is the goal with all of this stuff. Now, if you like this, click on the link below for my Advanced Grooves course or my Pro Grooves course. You can check those out and you'll find some seriously cool linear grooves. But until next time, have fun with this.